All right, what's up, guys? How are you all doing? I hope you're doing good. So, in today's video, we're basically going to download VS Code and also create a folder and open it on VS Code and get to add few lines of HTML and preview it. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so the first thing that you have to do is come to your browser and search Vscode. Just type Vscode, press enter, and it's going to bring this up for you. So click on it, open. That is if you do not have Vscode already installed on your PC. So just click that to open the site for Visual Studio Code. Now on this website, the site it's going to auto detect which system you're using, whether you're using a Mac or Windows machine, any OS it is, it's going to auto detect that for you. So all you have to do is click on this download, and then the exe file is going to start downloaded, and once that is successful, all you have to do is to double click and then click on next start. So I'm going to stop this download because I already have VS Code on my machine. All right, so when you're done with that, you come over to your file or to your window explorer, right, and then create a folder. So you can just come inside desktop and then come here. Let's say I want to create a folder called what should I call this? Okay, let me call the folder Mr.P, right? And then just click out and then come back here, right click. Depending on your OS, you might see the option to open with VS Code just over here, but since I'm using Windows 11, I have to click on that button to come over here. You see an option like this, open with VS Code. That is when you had installed your VS Code. So all you have to do is click open, then it's going to bring something up for you. All right, so let's see what that's going to be like. So currently it's loading VS Code, and then okay, let me zoom this in so you can see. So just like that, this is it. Now this is the folder I just created, Mr.P, right? So if you have this pop-up, just click on yes. So we have a folder right here. Now we want to create an HTML file that we can write all the structure of our website inside. So to do that, if you hover here, you would see new file. You hover here, you see new folder. So what you need to do is click on this first guy which says new file, then you get to name it whatever you want to. So for me, I'll just give the same name as Mr.P. So I'll just say mrp.html, right? So remember, Mr.P dot is not a valid file or folder. Please choose a different name. So let's see what happened. So let me create a file again. mrp.html. Yeah, just like that. So press enter, and then this is going to come up. You're going to see something like this. So all right, guys, so to have HTML boilerplate, all you have to do is click on this. Just click on shift and then click this exclamatory sign just right next to this backtick. Now you can find that where you have what's that, filter key. Now let me just close this. So click on shift and click on 1. You're going to have something like this, then press enter to have this boilerplate. So this is basically doc type HTML. You have this tag. If you can check, this HTML is ending on this line 11, and then we have body, and then we have head. Now if I preview this, now let me quickly preview this. Let me quickly preview this. Let me just put something here. So for the first tag, I'll just do a P tag. Just do a P tag, and then type I am learning how to code. All right. So just like that, and then I can preview this on the browser. So let me see. Let me right click. So to preview on a browser, right click and scroll down to open with live server. So if you do not have live server, you have to come here, and then do live server. I think it should be live server. You would see something like this. Since I've installed on my own, so I do not have this option again right here. So yours, you would have install right here. So just click on it and install to have live server. So coming back again, I'm just going to right click on this and then click on open with live server. Then that's going to load up and bundle the page into the browser. So exactly, this is just what we have right there. Now if you look at this closely, you would see that this is what I just typed. I am learning how to code, right? So let's come back here. Let's come back here. Now look at this. This is the P tag. Now this section, this entire section, this head section is what you tell your browser to understand, right? If you come back to this site, you will see something here, document. Right, you're telling this particular website that the title of this page should be this, just like you have your document for Visual Studio or JavaScript down here. Now over here we are having document. If I come back here and change this to, let's say, new ways, save, and then go back here. Now you would see this is going to change from document to new ways, the title of this page. So this is very good for SEO purposes. The browser uses this to index your page correctly. So you have something here called viewport. You will not really bother about this, but this helps the browser to shrink your browser to automatically sit very well on the mobile phone. That is, it is responsive on the mobile phone, not that you would have to stretch and zoom in to pick a particular document. So the UTF is just the character, this guy. The UTF, it is just the current way the character is being encoded right into your browser. And then we have the body right here. The body is where all of your content is going to come in, from your heading to the to your main to all the way to your footer. You're going to type everything inside your body. This head section is just for your browser to understand and then do different things with whatever you're telling it to do, while you get to write everything here inside your body. Now as a task, I would want you to do something like this. We have h1, we have a tag called heading h1, which is called just like this. So you can say me, right? And then come back here, refresh this, you would see that it will be bigger, me. And then what I want you to do as a task, just copy this, paste this, and change this to 2 all the way to 6, and then see how it behaves, and then get to submit your assignment. So that's it for this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.